Hey guys, in this video I will talk about the best Optrel welding helmets. After much research I found these products much helpful for people like you. I will provide you brief information about these products. If you want to know about the price and other information about these products, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Optrel Crystal 2.0 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The Optrel Crystal 2.0 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is a high-end helmet for professional welders. When it's at rest in grind mode, it's at shade level 2. Most helmets are at shade level 3 or 4 when in grind mode. That means it's much more clear and well lit in the resting state. Users frequently praise the comfortable headgear. The auto darkening process features shade levels 4 through 12. Sensor slide changes the arc detection angle to prevent activation from other welders nearby. The Optrel Crystal 2.0 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet also has the ability to adjust the darkness level or go to grind mode manually as well. Delay and sensitivity settings are controlled externally. Some users report issues damaging the grind mode button. The usual solution to this is turning down the shade level to the minimum setting. It's got 1111 optical clarity rating and true color technology for excellent vision. Positive side of this product: lithium batteries. Solar powered. Grind mode. Negative side of this product: easy to damage the grind button. Number 2. Auto Darkening Welding Helmet Silver. The Optrel E684 Auto Darkening Helmet is a blend of highlights from a portion of the models above. This cap's focal point proportion is excellent at 1111 focal point rating with completely programmed obscuring conceal 5 to 13 curve splendor location. It likewise has 3 sensors of 2. You can likewise physically modify the focal point between conceals 4 and 13 to get your perspective on the circular segment. You can switch between the weld and granulate modes and back again remotely. You can likewise control the deferral and effectability by the outer handles. It also has a twilight feature that will help the focal point when you change from dull to light states to facilitate eye awareness. It finishes all the shading assessments with the best appraisals because of its real nature innovation. Number 3. Optrel Panoramaxx Auto Darkening Welding Helmet Black. The Optrel Panoramaxx Auto Darkening Welding Helmet has a fairly large viewport filter of 5 inches by 2 inches, and it's shaped to fit over the bridge of your nose. This design moves the filter closer to your eyes for a larger viewing area. When the helmet is in grind mode, it's operating at a 2.5 shade level, lighter than the usual level 3 grind mode. This is a true color filter with 1.5 optical clarity for a great view. The Optrel Panoramaxx Auto Darkening Welding Helmet features the Autopilot system to control the shade level setting automatically according to the arc brightness. This system can be disabled to allow you to set shade levels manually. The Panoramaxx also has Phatronic, a feature that lightens the filter gradually once you stop welding, rather than brightening all at once. This idea helps to limit eye fatigue. One of the best features of the Optrel Panoramaxx Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is the ISOFIT headgear, featured in every Optrel helmet. It's an unconventional design with a liner-type design that resembles a bicycle helmet, resulting in great balance and comfort. Number 4. Optrel Liteflip Autopilot Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. This helmet features a flip-up lens with true color technology for real-world colors while you weld. The Optrel Liteflip Autopilot Auto Darkening Welding Helmet uses Autopilot automatic shade level, maintaining darkness level according to the brightness of the welding arc and lighting conditions. You can correct the shade level manually by 1 to 2 levels plus or minus to suit your preferences. The flip lens also features the twilight system that lightens the lens gradually after the arc stops. Number 5. Optrel VegaView 2.5 Welding Helmet. The Optrel VegaView 2.5 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is the world's fastest auto darkening welding helmet with a reaction time of 1/1,000,000 of a second. This helmet uses the Autopilot system, uses the Optrel Autopilot automatic shading system from shade levels 8 to 12, which is actually a little narrow. Everything's a compromise, and this is how Optrel gets that fast reaction time. Some high amperage welding really should use a shade level 13, so this was a sore point with some owners. Number 6. E684 Andorran Franks Welding Helmet. The Optrel E684 Andorran Franks Welding Helmet is a professional welding helmet with top-quality optics, rated at 1111 optical clarity. This helmet has shade level controls that automatically adjust between levels 5 to 13. Automatic adjustment can be overridden if you prefer adjusting shade levels yourself. Grind mode on the E684 is shade level 4. Delay, sensitivity and grind mode controls are external, allowing operation of the helmet without removing it. Number 7. Optrel E650 Auto Dark Welding Helmet. The Optrel E650 is another high-end helmet, though not quite as expensive. It's a step down from the E680 series, in that it has a 9 to 13 variable lens shade instead of a 5 to 13. Still, it's an auto darkening helmet that will automatically adjust your view and prevent the hazardous light from harming your eyes. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.